to do the two labs now. Okay. First lab is your static routing. Okay. Then we'll go for your default routing. These two lab will do. Okay. So let's jump for the lab now. So what I'm going to do, so I will take these two router and I will take one switch, two switches connected to this. I will take some N2Z devices like one PC here. Then I will take one laptop here, and I will take one server this side. Same thing. What we did previous lab. So how we can connect here? So let's connect first on this. As you can see, there's no serial interface. So to add a serial interface, what we should do? Just hop this and add this one interface on this and go to this router. I'll hop this router and drag it. Is power on? We have to make it hop. Now on. So now we can see, now we can able to connect it. So I will connect. I'll connect the serial cable here. Now I'm connecting Alto. Let it connect this all. Okay, so the task is, what is the lab here? The lab, what I'm going to show you, that is your static routing. Okay. The task is, first thing is configure the IP address as per the diagram. Second one is configure DHCP to get automatic IP address for end user devices. That is your router and this thing. Third one is configure a static routing to communicate with other network. Sorry, man. Okay. So this is the task now. So I think you understood, right? What I'm going to do now.
Yes.
So now you just give some IP address. So IP address 192.168. I'll use this 1.1/24. And for this network, one 192.168, this is 2.1/24. And for this network, I'll use 10.0.0.1. And this interface is 10.1.1.2. So if you want to use some coloring, I can use just for your understanding. That's it, nothing else. So I'll give some coloring here. So this is one network, and this is my second network. How many are there? Network here. You have total 3 network. Correct. Sajid.
Yes, 3.
Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. We can
Yes.
see what we are doing. So we are doing the static routing. Okay, it should communicate. Every PC, they should be able to communicate with each other.
Yes.
That's the reason we are doing the routing protocol. So what are the things we are doing here? We are doing first assigning the IP address and configure the DHCP to get automatic IP address, then configure the static routing. Right? So let's do that. So what I'm going to do first one, so I'll go to the router 1. So I'll go to the CLI. So I'll say no, enable. So check which are the interfaces there, show IP, interface brief. It will show you which are the interfaces is connected. So right now, gigabyte 0/0 is connected. So let's go to global configuration mode, configure terminal, interface gigabytes 0/0/0. Okay, give the IP address. What is the IP address we must give? We should give this IP address. Correct. This is the IP address we must give. Right now, see, we can see here, this is the interface.
Okay.
IP address unassigned. Administratively, it is down. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So what is IP address? What IP?
192.
Okay, 192.168.1.1.
1.1.
Yes. So give
255.
the subnet mask. Okay. Fine. Give the no shutdown. Okay, now interface is up now. Now go to the serial now. Interface serial 0/1/0. So what is IP address here? IP address 10 dots. Yes, very good.
00.1.
Yes. So subnet mask is this is the class EA.
0.
So as you can see, this is a serial interface. We have to give the clock rate. I say 56,000 this time. I'll say no shut. Okay. So this is done now. So let's give some router name. So this is my router 1. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, so just configure the IP address for this server. So 192.168.1.2. So gateway is 192.168.1.1. Correct?
Yes.
Fine. So let's go to service, go to DHCP. On the DHCP and give the default gateway. Default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay, if you want to give the DNS, we can give the DNS 8.8. This is the Google DNS. The IP address start from. So let's start from 100 so that we can understand, right? Just we need 10 IP address. Okay, just save. See, it will come here. Close. Now check this IP address now. Whether it will getting the IP address or not. Requesting the IP address. We can see 1.100. It has got the IP address. Same thing for this computer. Okay, 1.101. Right? Now this configuration is done now. So this part of configurations we are done now. Now we have to jump for this network. So I'll go to this router 2 now. You must on the router. Okay. See, this is the booting process. As you can see, it is loading the operating system. That is your iOS. So which operating system we are using? That is iOS. Inter-network operating system. This is the operating system file. As we can see, this is the ISR router. This is the bin file. Even in the real Cisco routers, we can see this same one. It's getting boot now. Now booting is done. So enable. So go to global configuration mode, and this is my router 2. So I'll enter into the interface gigabytes 0/0/0. So what is the IP address I must give here? Okay, 192.168.2.1, correct? So give the subnet mask.
Yes. 255. Okay.
Yes. Give no shutdown.
No shutdown. And there's no clock rate here.
No clock rate here. Okay,
That's
clock
yeah.
rate. Clock rate you must give only for this interface.
Yeah,
Only for only see. We can see the clock symbol right here. Can you see?
okay, okay, good.
Okay. Only we have to give only one side. So let's do this. Now I'm going to enter the serial interface. Serial 0/1/0. So what is IP address here? 10.0.0.
2
Then give the
0 0.
subnet. Okay. Give no shutdown. As you can see now, all the interfaces are now up. Can you see? Now type N, show IP interface brief. You can see now these all interfaces are up. You can see 2.1 status is up, a protocol is up. Now serial interface 1, this one, okay, IP address 10.0.0.1, status is up, protocol is also up. Okay. Okay, now we are going to configure now IP address for your server. So what IP address I must give? 2.2. We can give 2.2 or any IP address, no problem. And give the gateway.
Okay.
2.1 is router IP address.
Yes.
Okay. So now after this, go to services, DHCP, and what is the gateway? 192.168.2.1. DNS, I'll give 4.4.4 here. I want starting IP address 100. Subnet mask is same. How many IP address I want? I want just 5 here because I have only 2 PC connected right here. Then click on save. So now we can see automatically this IP address will get the PC will get IP address. Request for DHCP. Just click here DHCP. Request IP address. It will send the request. Okay. DHCP fail. A PIPA has been used. Okay. Why DHCP fail? So here we must give IP address 192.168.2.2.
No, not the 2.
No. One second.
We must check the server.
Yes.
Server configuration.
2.2. Okay, fine. This 2.2 is correct. No problem here. So check the services. Gateway is for photo. Okay, fine. It's on. We are not on. Can you see?
Okay, yes.
So save, close. So I think now you'll get the IP address. Yeah. Can you see?
Yes. Noted.
Yeah. So next one is go to the laptop, desktop, IP configurations. Request for DHCP. Okay. So 1.1, you got the IP address. So now we can see we cannot ping from this laptop to this laptop. See, fail. If you ping once again, this laptop fail because they don't have the communication, but they can communicate to their router. Can you see? Can you see here? I use ICMP ping command. If you ping from this PC to this laptop, it will ping. So this PC to this server, they can ping. Same thing this side. So this laptop to this laptop, they can communicate. even this server to this laptop, because it is directly connected, because it is different network. What is this network ID? Anybody can tell me? Network ID? 192.
192.1.0.
Yes, very good. What is this network ID?
2.0.
Very good. Fine. So now, because they are into different network. So what is the main our task? Our job is you have to make them communicate. Okay, these laptop should be able to communicate this laptop. Means this server should communicate to this server. So this PC should communicate to, means everybody they can communicate to each other. Okay. Now let's do this lab now. How we can configure? That's the reason we are configuring a routing protocol, that is static routing. Okay, so let's do this configuration. The command is IP route. Okay, so right now you can see to reach to two network 192.168 two network, give the subnet mask, go via 10.0.0.2. Understood? See, this is two network. This is one network. Okay, right now I am in router 1. To reach to these two network, go via this IP. Understood? If I am in router 2, to reach to one network, go via this IP. Route. See, man, if I want to travel from India to Niger, how I can travel? Do you have a direct distance flight? India to Niger? No, right? I should go via Dubai or Ethiopia.
You go Morocco or something.
Ethiopia or Doha, India to Dubai, or then Dubai to Niger, or India to Ethiopia or Ethiopia to Niger. Same thing here. If you want to reach to 10 network, go via this network. If you want to reach to 20 network, go via this IP address, because you are coming from this side. When you are here, when you are reaching this side, you go via this IP address. Understood? That is the command I have given here. Can you see? To reach to 2.0 network, okay, go via 10.0.0.2, this one. I say enter. That's it. How to check? And show IP route. So as you can see, it has been done here. Yes means static routing. Here you can see static. Yes means static routing. We have configured static routing. What is this one? Sergi, can you tell me what is this one? This one is
This one,
administrative distance for your static routing.
okay.
Is going via 10.0.0.2, this one. Fine.
Okay.
So now router 1 configuration is done. Now I'll go to the router 2. Router 2, how I should configure? IP route to reach to one network, right?
Oh, okay.
255.255.255.0. So now which IP address I must give?
10.00.1.
Very good, very good. Yes, very good. That's it. And now we can see show IP route. Okay, you can see here he has learned static route. Yes, yes means static. One
Okay.
network has done because this is two network. Okay, this is one network. Correct.
Yes.
So can you check the communication now?
Okay.
Let's say I want to ping from this server to this server. So it is fail. Remember, the first packet, when you start the first time communication, to negotiate the ARP function, the first packet will be dropped. I'll ping once again from this server to this server. Now we can see now they can ping. From this laptop to this laptop, first packet will be dropped. Okay, if I ping once again, success. It will communicate. Same thing here also. Say this PC to this PC, first packet will be dropped. Because of the ARP negotiation, it takes time. Now it is success. Second time, it doesn't fail. So example, this server to this PC. You can see, right? This is no fail.
Okay.
Now everybody they can communicate. There's no packet drop here. So this laptop to this success. Okay, and this server to this laptop success, and this laptop to this server. Okay, and this PC to this PC. Now it has got perfect communication. If you want to go for CLI also, we can check the CLI command. So what is the IP address for this one? This is 2.101. So you can able to ping. So 192.168, so example 1.101. Right? I have the reachability. Same thing, 1.2. I think 1.2 is there. Timeout. There is no 1.2 IP address. Right? I think you have 1.100. You have 1.100. But you have 1.2 IP. Okay, better to write the IP address here. See, this guy is 1.2. This is 1.100. 1.100. Yeah. This is 1.101. Because previously I failed because I have given 1.02, which is not there here. Or else you can add one more PC here. Just add one laptop here. And here also you add one more laptop. Just connect it. And let it take the IP address. Okay, so now we can see it is fail. Remember, guys, I want to explain what is this APIPA, API-PA. See, this is automatic private IP address. See, for every device operating system, it is inbuilt. If this PC request, this is very important, guys, because still the link is down. Now it is up. It will send the ARP request. Okay, it takes time to negotiate. When we send the DHCP request, okay, the link is down. Automatically, the operating system which you are using, like Windows, Linux, or even to any operating system, so automatically it will take from IPPA. It will give an IP address that is start from your 169. This is the result for APIPA network. Same thing we can do for this PC. I think this guy will get the IP address now. So he has got how much? 102. So now we can ping from this PC now. I think previously I have given
Okay,
10.
from okay.
Can you see? So I think it has to ping now. You can see, right? First packet is dropped.
Okay.
You can see the first packet. The first packet is dropped. Second
But
part,
the three is
yeah,
okay. Second
yes,
and the third.
yes.
But the
Second is on. You can see packets and 4 received 3, 1 loss. Now, if you ping once again, from your PC, so there's a no packet loss here. See, 4 packets sent, 4 received. Understood, all of you? Understood, guys? I will save this this lab. This is your static lab 1. Okay, so now what I will do, this all command, which are the command I have used, that one also I will save. Okay, I will. This is static lab. Okay, I will share you this file. Okay. So you can open from your laptop.
Okay, you can share it with us so that we'll.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, we will take one small break now.
Okay.
Then we'll do one more lab now.
Ok. Ok, on va prendre une petite pause.